The former president of the Philippines,
Rodrigo Duterte.
has been arrested at
Manila Airport.
After the International Criminal Court.
By the International Criminal Court.
After the International Criminal Court and is on its way to The Hague.
Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte took off at 11:03 p.m. this evening and exited Philippine airspace. The plane is en route to The Hague in the Netherlands, allowing the former president to face charges of crimes against humanity in relation to his bloody war on drugs.
Ang tinig ng sambayanang Pilipino ay umaalingaw-ngaw sa buong bansa. Malakas, matatag at puno ng paninindigan. Ngayon, sila ay naninindigan hindi lamang para sa isang tao, kundi para sa mga adhikain ng soberanya, katarungan at karapatang magpasya para sa sariling bayan.
Isa naman ang gusto nilang mahitabo, mawala ang Duterte sa pula. Busugot mo mawala Inday Sara! Busugot mo mapriso si Rudy Duterte! Dili nato na tugtan!
Ipakita na konkreto, solido, na certified authentic copy of the warrant of arrest. Pero yung pa rin ang ginamit nila para kidnapin nila si Tatay Digong. Yan ang sinasabi namin. Inaristo nila dahil sa illegal arrest kasi walang warrant na authentic. Kung meron man, assuming na yung kanilang pinanghawakang warrant